Hello everyone, in this video, part one, we're going to explore verbs that are followed by infinitives. I'll walk you through some key examples and explain how they work in sentences, so grab a pen and let's get started. Infinitive means we have to plus the verb. There are some verbs that are followed by infinitives as objects, and we cannot use ing after them. We cannot use gerunds. Here is a short list of the verbs that are followed by infinitives. Let's just go over them together. We say afford to do something, agree to do something, arrange to, care to, choose to, decide to, expect to, fail to, hope to, learn to, mean to, offer to, prepare to, pretend to, promise to, prove to, refuse to, seem to, swear to, tend to, want to, and wish to do something. Okay, so all these verbs that you see here are followed by infinitives. What is an infinitive? To plus verb. In the next exercise that we have, it's a short exercise. We have some of these verbs followed by infinitives, and you will learn how to use them in a sentence. So pause the video and make similar sentences using these phrases that you see on the slide. And when you're ready, please check your answers with me. Okay, I assume you're ready, so let's begin. This is the frame. I don't care to see him again. Care is our verb, main verb, and to see is our infinitive. So we're going to change them. The first verb that we have here is want. So I don't want to see him again. Doubt. Doubt your honesty. I don't want to doubt your honesty. Damage the car. I don't want to damage the car. Like. I don't like to damage the car. Discourage them. I don't like to discourage them. Improvise the dialogue. I don't like to improvise the dialogue. Stay up until dawn. I don't like to stay up until dawn. Mean. I don't mean to stay up until dawn. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this introduction to verbs followed by infinitives helpful. In the next videos, we'll continue building on this topic. And in part two, I'll cover verbs that are followed by gerunds. And then in part three, we will go over the verbs that take both gerunds and infinitives. And in part four, we'll cover sensory verbs. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Like, share, comment, and see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.